Everyone. Today I am going to be playing Escape the Facility. So yeah, I'm playing for Escape the Facility and I'm using this thing because I don't know what else to use to record. So give me some comments down below. So I'm going in my first match and I just played this game 2 times. I always used to play this one cousin, but she stopped. And now we have to, oh my god, I forgot about that. I can buy it. I can buy it like, wait, is there a button? Oh, okay, no more. Whatever. What did I mean? What am I doing? I'm gonna get myself killed. And I'm not gonna survive in the time. I am going to die. Oh, I am. This is a hard mission. I think I can survive it though. Oh my, dang, I forgot how to jump. Dang it. I'm gonna get the fast speed one now. Since I did, I'm gonna go get the fast speed one. Where is it? Dash. Finally got it. These are the only things I can buy on it. I always get. Okay, I bought something else. This one isn't that hard. It's probably an easy. This is really easy, not hard. Oh my god, I fell. Oh my god, I fell. I died. I died. I had falls. Sorry. Move. I don't want to die. If you stay there and don't jump, you can do that. That happened. Oh my god, I'm really itchy. Wait, where did I go? Oh, this one's not hard. Why can't I on easy or something? Okay, so let's go here, and then here. This is easy. I'm medium. It's not that hard. Okay, let me go in there because I cannot tell if the water is easy. I'll stay down here. Yep, stay down here. Okay, come on. But come on. Good. Okay, me and these guys are like, oh no, oh no. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, the rudders. I've finished it. So let me go here. So I wanted to know. Wish I had that much. Wait. Oh my god, this is so easy, not even hard. I was hoping this guy does. After like we do 3 of the rounds, 3 of the freaking rounds, and like probably like 3 more, like probably 3 more, like probably like that much. do like 4 more, like 8 more. Oh my god, this is hard. Oh my god. I think I got some mice. I don't know. You better hurry up. This is when. Is it? Wait. Okay, let's play. Oh wait. That guy, you died on the second round. Okay. Okay, I can survive this. I can survive this. This is totally not hard. Okay. I can survive this. I can't. Can. Stupid issue can't survive this. This is hard. This is hard. I admitted it. It's hard. When you're doing it by yourself, it's really freaking hard. But when you have a teammate, it's not that hard. And my phone is about to die. My phone broke. Oh no! Dang it. I had to kill myself. Well, guys, my mom's friends had to die, and let's just play this one more last round. Just hurry up and do this. If I die, I'm just gonna, like, if I die, then I'm gonna get off because I only have 5%. And the battery saver is on. Okay. I really, my mom's phone's gonna die fast. I don't know it. I just know. It's gonna die. Well, oh dang, I died. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. And I hope you liked it because it's 1 o'clock. And I don't got school tomorrow. I don't know if my school only don't have school tomorrow because tomorrow's my dad's birthday and it is a holiday. So yeah. Let's just go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.